Hello everyone, and welcome back to Student Success Hub. Today we'll discuss key emerging issues in the digital world. Online governance or ICANN. The internet is global, not owned by any country. To manage domain names like .com, .org, or .in, ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, works as the regulator. But ICANN is US-based, raising debates on fairness and sovereignty. Should governance be centralized or shared across nations? Fraud or consumer loyalty. Fraud in e-commerce, banking, and education is growing. Phishing, fake sites, and scams. Fraud kills trust, and without trust, there's no loyalty. Websites with secure payments, clear policies, and good support build trust. Once trust is built, loyalty follows. Example: Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm. Quadratic effect of flow. Flow is when users are fully engaged online without problems. Example: smooth shopping or streaming. Flow and loyalty have a quadratic link. Small improvements give slow growth, but after a point, loyalty rises fast. That's why smooth design, fast apps, and easy payments increase loyalty. Technology readiness. In developing countries, comfort with tech builds trust. If users aren't trained, they hesitate to use online services. But with training, they adopt confidently. Example: India's digital literacy and UPI apps boosted trust and loyalty. So, investing in education and user-friendly tools is key. Digital divide. The digital divide separates those with internet access from those without. Urban areas enjoy fast internet, while rural areas struggle with devices, skills, and infrastructure. This gap creates inequality. Bridging it is vital for inclusive growth. Ethical or legal issues. Privacy. How much data should companies collect? Digital property. Who owns online content? Expression. Free speech vs hate speech and fake news. Governments, companies, and users must balance rights with responsibility. Cybersecurity or cybercrime. Cybercrime is rising. Hacking, ransomware, scams. No one is fully safe, so cybersecurity is essential. Strong passwords, encryption, two-factor logins, and awareness prevent most attacks. Social media. Social apps are part of daily life. Email, professional use. Facebook or Instagram, social jod business. LinkedIn, careers and jobs. But issues like privacy, fake accounts, addiction, and mental health remain. Use responsibly. Digital marketing. Marketing is now digital. Key tools: SEO for search ranking, social ads for targeted reach, data analytics for personalization. Focus is on engagement, trust, and loyalty, not just selling. Conclusion: the digital world offers big opportunities but also challenges. Success equals technology jod trust jod ethics. We must use technology responsibly, securely, and inclusively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Student Success Hub.